In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up G-Sync for Counter-Strike 2 in a minute. First things first, navigate through your desktop, right-click on it and click on the NVIDIA Control Panel. Inside this page, we then have the ability to set up our G-Sync compatibility, but unfortunately in some cases it is not enabled on my control panel. But basically it will look something like this. Under the display category, you then have the setup G-Sync option. The only thing that you need to do on this step is to make sure that the enable G-Sync option is checked. From there, let's then navigate through our Counter-Strike application. And then you want to navigate through the settings menu by clicking on this icon. Click the video settings, click advanced video, and then you want to make sure that the NVIDIA G-Sync option stays enabled. So from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.